Second is they cannot admit, confess, or acknowledge their mistakes. They cannot. They cannot take the criticism from you. Highly defensive. So defense mechanisms can be very different, but both any person in this spectrum for that matter will never accept their mistakes. कभी कभी बहुत ऐसा भी देखने को मिलता है कि स्पेशली when they are trapped, या फिर उनको लगता है कि now I'm going to be exposed, so their defense guards will be down और वो एकदम silent way में behave कर सकते हैं, but they will not actually accept their mistakes. They will reduce their performance maybe. या फिर ऐसा भी हो सकता है, for that very minute percentage के लिए मैं बता रही हूँ, अगर वो accept कर भी लें, so that is because now the situation is कि अगर उन्होंने accept नहीं किया तो there is a chance of losing something. So that is a performance based acceptance. That's not genuine acceptance. But majorly 99% they will never accept their mistakes. Very defensive. And if you criticize, if you point out their mistakes, they will be highly, उनका defense anger भी हो सकता है. And lashing out to you, आपके faults गिनाना शुरू कर देंगे.
Are they ever real, or do they even know what their reality is? या
No,
फिर
they don't.
ये उन्हें पता भी रहता है कि वो क्या कर रहे हैं, क्या नहीं कर रहे हैं? हर वक्त अगर परफॉर्मेंस ही है तो
They know what they're doing.
that
They
means
know
they're
what they're doing.
self-aware, right?
So it's like this कि एक है उनका डीपर लेवल ऑफ केओस, कि प्रॉब्लम अराइज कहाँ से हो रही है, ये सब वो कर क्यों रहे हैं, ये उन्हें नहीं पता. वो सेल्फ अवेयरनेस नहीं है, वो इंटरनल एनलाइटनमेंट नहीं है. ये अवेयरनेस जरूर है कि वो उनका जो एंकर है वो कब क्या करवा रहा है, वो कब क्या कर रहे हैं. हाउ एल्स आर दे डिफरेंट इन देयर पब्लिक एंड पर्सनल स्पेस, टेल मी. That means they know what they're doing and they are different with different people. So they are not psychopath कि उन्हें समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है कि क्या हो रहा है. That is exactly the tricky part with them. इसीलिए रिलेशनशिप्स में इतना ट्रिकी है ये समझना कि वो किसी नार्सिसिस्ट के साथ है, because they are highly manipulative and manipulation is a sign of brain intelligence. So there are people